Hey, it's Mike. I'm responding to the sneezing challenge. See if I can sneeze with my eyes open. So let's see if I can do this. It's kind of disgusting though. Okay, it really tickles. I keep trying this again. I started to cry now. Try the other side. Just did a little while ago after she sneezed. See if I can do it again. Okay, that didn't work. And that hurt. I'm not doing that again. Oh, crap. Alright. That was a fail. Yeah, I'm done. Well, that sucked.